Ever feel like 24 hours just isn't enough? What if I told you, with just 4 gadgets, you could literally work 10x faster in 2026? No hacks, no fluff, just smart tools doing the heavy lifting for you. From an AI mouse that writes for you, to a notebook that thinks like your brain, and even a triple screen setup you can carry anywhere. These aren't normal gadgets, these are productivity weapons. Stay till the end, because number 4 will completely change how you work forever. Links to every pick are in the description. Let's go. Product 1. OIKKEI's 2026 upgraded AI voice mouse. It's a modular 2-in-1 mouse and air remote built for people who jump from desk work to presenting, execs, PMs, lecturers, and creators. Key features: the hand rest detaches, so the mouse becomes an air remote for slide control. One press starts voice recording. It auto-transcribes and builds clean bullet summaries you can copy or share. You get a classic red laser plus a digital spotlight and magnifier for LED and LCD screens. There's an integrated ChatGPT voice assistant for drafting, translation, and rewrites, with quick in-device translation across 12 languages. Real-world use. At your desk, capture ideas and get instant summaries. In meetings, one-click records and turns minutes into action items. On the go, speak a prompt to draft an email. It travels well for presenters, and it's handy for students and journalists capturing quotes and context. Battery lasts over 20 days, with Bluetooth 5.0 for stable connections. Works with Mac, Windows, and iPad OS. Easy pairing at a coffee shop or airport lounge. Pros: modular design, auto summaries, spotlight works on LED and LCD, and long battery life. Cons: the digital spotlight needs a driver installed, and the touchpad surface has a short learning curve. Price: $109.99. Best for executives, product managers, lecturers, and creators who want a smarter mouse that doubles as a meeting tool. Product 2. Remarkable Paper Pro Move, a 7.3-inch color digital paper notebook built for deep focus. No apps, no pings, just thinking and doing. Core features: the canvas color display with real paper friction, Marker Plus included for precise strokes, and a writing experience that feels natural. Clean lines, no lag all day. Write by hand, then convert to typed text with a tap. Notes sync to the cloud, and with Connect you can search across notebooks on your phone or desktop. Stay organized with tags and folders, then slip it into a jacket or small bag. The Pro Move is genuinely pocketable. Workflows: in a meeting, capture decisions, convert to text, and share to the team. No laptops on the table, just focus notes that travel with you. On your commute, capture ideas between stops. At a cafe, sketch concepts, and when reviewing PDFs, highlight, annotate, and send. Fast. Pros: unmatched paper feel, distraction-free focus, and powerful convert and search. Cons: Connect subscription is required for cloud search, and the color is for annotation. Don't expect OLED punch. Price at filming: $499. Best for consultants, students, writers, and team leads who want clarity without clutter. Product 3. SIKAI Case, Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. A pocket-size aluminum board that folds into your palm with a magnetic stand that pops up in seconds, so your phone or tablet becomes a mini workstation anywhere. Specs: aluminum chassis and a compact 60-key layout with matte keycaps. A Broadcom Bluetooth chipset keeps connection stable and latency low. Pair up to 3 devices and hot switch with the BT1, BT2, and BT3 combo keys. Cross-platform support is broad: iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS, and HMS devices. The 160 mAh battery delivers up to about 45 hours of typing and roughly 90 days of standby, with auto sleep and instant wake to save power. It's genuinely pocketable, lightweight with a tight fold. Just note the smaller key pitch versus full-size boards, and the magnetic stand is best with screens up to about 11 inches for stable viewing. Snap it open and your phone or tablet becomes a writing rig. On a flight using the tray table, in a quiet library, or on a park bench. Perfect for lecture notes and cafe sessions. Reply faster, draft emails, or code on an iPad without hauling a laptop. Pros: ultra portable, stable, Bluetooth, and legitimately good battery life. Cons: no numpad, tighter keys take adjustment, and the stand is ideal up to around 11 inches. Price at filming: $55.99. Best for writers on the go, students, and road warrior travelers who want a pocket keyboard that just works. Product 4. Aura displays triple Aero Pro Max, a triple 15.6-inch portable monitor extender for 11 18-inch laptops. Why it matters: you get full desktop-grade workspace anywhere, code on one, docs on another, comms on the third, without carrying a second laptop. Specs: 15.6-inch IPS panels, at 1080p with HDR support, 350 nits, 1200 to 1 contrast, and a 178-degree viewing. Low blue light mode reduces eye strain. Each panel is just 0.4 inches thin, set in full aluminum with reinforced hinges, and a stable kickstand. Connectivity: single cable USB-C for power and video, plus HDMI options, cables included. Pass-through power up to 65 watts keeps your laptop topped while all 3 screens run. Each display can extend or mirror independently for flexible layouts. Compatibility: Mac and Windows out of the box on 11 to 18-inch notebooks. Total weight about 7 pounds, so it rides in a backpack but feels solid on desk. Use it flat, or angle the wings in, for color-critical work and clean ergonomics. Real-world uses: coding and logs left, docs in center, Slack or Teams right. Financial models plus research plus slides. Travel setups in hotel rooms, coffee shops, and co-working spaces. Client demos with mirrored side panels for easy sharing across a table. Pros: massive workspace, sturdy aluminum build, wide port and OS compatibility. Cons: heavier than a single portable panel, and it draws more power under full brightness. Price at filming: $599, best for analysts, developers, traders, and producers who need 3 screens on the go.